Hey, how's it going, folks? I apologize for my bad point of view. It's my first time. I'm using a phone, not a GoPro. I don't have a GoPro, cannot afford a GoPro. But hopefully, you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry for my bad point of view if it's tilted or it's not positioned right. And also, I only uploaded me opening packs. And my first game, as the second, third game, I couldn't upload because it cut off. I ran out of space in my phone because I was recording the max, super max settings. So hopefully, I don't press that option again. I will try to record it normally, but I'll be doing more point of view recordings, or I might try a different way. But please enjoy the video. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe, or else. Hey, question: do you know if it's like good? I'm sorry, like if I'm good.
Should we? It's not over.
Perfect. All right, cool. Thanks. Yeah, I'm recording, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, so you see the number? Okay, all right, cool. All right, let's do this.
Hey, that is crazy.
Let's do this.
You're on that first person shooter.
Yeah, heck yeah. As long as it catches everything.
I think I got an SR to start. Yeah. Ooh.
What'd you get? Let me see. No! No way! He got the Sogeking manga! Are you kidding me? No way! That's crazy! Yo! Congrats, my dude! Nice. He got the 1K card.
First pack.
Yeah, literally. I can't. Yeah, take a picture of that. That's crazy.
Wait to start. First pack. Cool.
That's crazy. I remember when he said I'm gonna open it in front of him, he opens it next to me. Literally.
Oh, no, I don't mind.
That's crazy.
Alright, now I only need 2 more.
I can't believe. Oh yes, I love this card. That card's dope.
I gotta flame him for 2 days.
There was a boy that we know at the metal shop, Reaper. He pulled
Good
the
card.
Flame
Oh, I got Leerdami. Ooh, Khalifa. Yes, I got 2 good cards. Khalifa and Pudding.
Oh man, that was
Perfect pack. Literally. I can't believe he got that. That's crazy.
I'm happy.
Yeah, congrats, man. Don't worry, I feel like my heart beating when I pulled the manga ace last
You gotta
set.
get this. You gotta get
Yeah,
this.
no, I got it. Literally. Look at this. Literally. Wait, sleeve it real quick. I want to like hold it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in.
Literally.
Appreciate the top.
Not what I would.
I always carry top loaders every
That's crazy.
time I go someplace.
Nice. Oh, woo, that's crazy.
You don't care about wing now, right?
Literally. I can't believe he got it in the first pack.
I really didn't before either.
Like, yeah, there you go. That's.
Yeah, I won't care about winning.
My guy's gonna show off at pre-releases of that.
So
The first, literally the first pack.
That's crazy.
Drop out and then I'm gonna get you back.
yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Now let me see what's in here. I'm not
No,
lucky.
you don't need it.
I might be high rolling right
No,
now.
no. You already got your money with the card.
Any other alts?
Not yet.
You got the Marco? Okay.
Got the Margo, nice.
Yeah, okay, that's a good hit.
I should not pull anything. That'd be sad. Oh, my first red card. Oh
We
wow.
got plenty more to go, but yeah.
Are you gonna play with it?
Crossfire. Woohoo.
You don't play with that.
Yeah, you don't play. You sell it. Yeah, that's like
Play
fine.
with it. You don't know.
You can get half a case with that.
Yeah, right.
I got a pair.
Because I think there's only like 2 per case of the ones.
Oh my goodness. I got the non-manga one.
Let me see.
Ah, okay. The is that the parallel?
Yeah,
That's the alt.
that's
The
the.
regular one is the like super color.
Yeah, that's dope.
Which I
Ooh,
kind
look
of
at
like more
that.
than the alt.
Got my Sanji Don.
All right, well I got the non one.
You got everything, dude.
Yeah, you're good. You can buy like a half a case. You're freaking good.
Get the fuck out of here.
Get a case.
All right, you're good.
Oh, and I got a job for it. Yes, that's what I needed.
That's crazy.
I'm a fucking high roller.
Nah, there you go. You got money, man. You're good. You can.
The manga card in the last
Yeah, that's
OPO2, the first true release I went to, somebody pulled it too.
Yeah.
He's like, I wish I was sitting there. Literally.
No joke.
Not bad. Fossa. Robin Disposer. Ooh, Thunderbolt. Perfect. Speed Jill. Chimney Gumbo. Charlotte Oven. Not going to be usable. Khalifa Purple. I got Foil Nami. Perfect. I got the Izu as well. Foil. Alright. Blue. Purple. Annie's Lobby. That's black, right? Yeah.
Water got paid.
Opera. Oh, you open it. Damn, you're fast. What is that? Oh, you got that?
All these.
Oh, nice.
Ooh, I gotta teach.
Oh, nice.
And a blue.
Dude, I don't want to hear what you get.
I know you basically got a good card.
Mad at you.
Another Khalifa. Let's go.
You got the 10 drop big bomb.
Yeah, you get a
Yeah,
money.
but you
wanna
got.
play?
Oh man,
I can give you all of these.
that's
No one can
crazy.
say that I didn't try.
Another flame emperor. Let's go. My ace
Nice.
is building itself.
Damn, I'm not getting no leaders. Give me an ace leader, please. A normal one at least. Tropical Tournament. Oh, Shirushi, perfect. They have so many. I'm getting so many of the good blue and black cards. Oh, Flame Emperor.
I got some for you.
Oh, and Monkey D. Luffy.
Springy plastic. Ooh, Fujitora.
You gonna use black?
Definitely in set 4. And in
Fucking-
the Lucci deck, I would
So
use
if you're
that.
interested, moving now after this. Any shows?
I'm definitely gonna Isho main for set 4, so I might hold on to him for that. Did I get Alpha and Omni?
Ooh, Monkey D.
I
Garp.
might try to mill. Just for the shits of it.
Sweet, I got Fujitoro.
Oh yeah, I need my 2Ks. Let's see.
Damn, I don't think I got that many 2Ks.
I don't think anyone did. There's only
Yeah,
one in this set.
in this set, yeah.
Attention, One Piece pre-release players. We have appearance for your first round. Listen to
Okay.
your post. Make sure to sit where your assigned seats
This is how I
are.
can do this.
You can rock with it? I like it.
Thanks, bro.
Of course.
Oh man, I
You
want
know,
you to be.
I also want to run a manga story game. You have any like in spare? Maybe not in spare, but to give me really same way.
Oh, did anybody pull the Kuro?
Yeah, that can.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
How you doing? Oh boy, Big Mom.
Yeah, I didn't really get anything great, so I'm gonna just test these out and see what goes on.
No worries.
Oh yeah, everybody's gonna be using kid. I think it is a staple.
Hey, the kid or Zoro, so.
I was like, nah, I want to try something different. Screw it if I lose.
And it's gonna be weird for me. 'Cause I've never done pre-release.
Yeah.
Nope, this is my first one. I couldn't do 2 because I went away that weekend. So yeah, I couldn't do 2, but this is my first one, so.
Yeah.
This is weird because I'm like shuffling. I'm like, am I missing cards? But I'm like, wait, it's 40 cards. Literally.
Realizing, oh wait, there's multiple different colors, so that means certain cards can't work.
Yep. Oh, sure. I'll just cut it. You can do it. Mine. Sorry. I played so much webcam, I'm used to cutting it myself. Yeah, high roll? Sure. I saved it, but I don't know if
That's 4.
Okay.
That's higher than 4.
Woohoo! I'm going to go first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it even worth mulliganing?
I mean, you can.
I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna mull it.
Yeah, so you take them from your hand and then put them
No, I'm not.
Oh, could you do me a favor? So do you see where it's like recording? Is it? Do you see numbers going?
The timer?
Like a timer? Yeah.
Yeah. That's still
Okay,
going.
we're good. All right, cool. Just want to make sure. Sorry.
Against this match. That means something didn't show up.
Yeah, when you start a match, you have to open your leaders and then roll.
Okay, there you go. Just 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Play vanilla. Go ahead.
You can play pudding.
Okay.
Use our ability.
So, does it have to be Big Mom or no? Because pre-release, it's kind of confusing.
No, it has to be the
Big Mom.
effect of the
Okay,
card.
effect.
So the
okay,
same thing
yeah.
for everything else.
All right.
It has to be based on the effect of the card.
All right, well, I'm
But
glad.
lucky for me, it's Saji and Big Mom.
Okay. 5 to lead.
This house for Van Doom. Gain 2,000 and I trash a card.
Okay. Let's do 5 to lead.
No.
Okay, go ahead. He's like, no. Oh, wait, 1,000 power until. Was it working? Oh,
It's on your main.
Oh, it's only on main. Okay. Okay, and then. Let's go 5 at Is he at 5 or yeah, 5.
5.
Okay. At him?
Block.
Block, okay. Tap 2 for Mumu,
Okay.
and then I will tap 2 for another blocker, and then I will pass.
Alright, so
I put 4 on him, so I have 6.
that's the case. 4, 5. Million attack for 10 on life.
Okay. No trigger.
King bomb, 10 for life. So you're free.
Now you're done?
Yeah. Well, 10 for life.
Okay.
Yeah, you get it.
Plus 5. 1 for 11.
For 11.
Yep.
Attack for 5.
1K.
Nice.
Okay. Yeah, how many cards in there?
Mostly
2.
because like, its ability only works if you have like a big mom.
Draw.
So yeah, so it's only if you have. So I was hoping to get category. So it's like I could have played it, but it would have been a 12K beast day. Yeah. So like it would have been all my Dom on turn. So I was
You have
like,
2
I don't know,
cards.
Like I threw it in, but I figured I'd just use it as like a discard. Yeah.
I didn't want to discard.
Oh, no, you can.
Pretty big discard.
Yeah, I know. No, it's good. But I knew I was running out of
5 at lead.
So like if I didn't, show me your life,
Okay.
Yeah, I managed to just go on the board.
yeah.
I just have more blockers than.
Yeah, 1 card.
There's so many in this set.
We'll go
A
7.
lot of 2-cost ones are really efficient.
Let's go 9 at lead. This game? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna restand. Yeah, so.
Ain't nothing. Yeah.
Oh my goodness! If this wasn't a 1K, I would have lost.
Yeah.
I was like,
Honestly, I should have went ahead.
yeah.
I had cards. What was it gonna be? What
Did you
did
hit
I
that
have?
cracker double attack?
No.
I played it late.
So he swung 10 with Big Mom. I took it. Had no life. He swung 10 with him. He had no more dons. He had 1 more 5K swing. This freaking card saved me.
Gosh.
And then I had
But
2
you went for the
1Ks.
double first.
No, because you
You
wouldn't.
only
No.
had 1 life?
No, it has to be on the you have to have less life than your opponent for the double to work.
I
For cracker.
probably
Yeah.
should have played this
yeah.
instead. To go ahead and make him lose a card and
Yeah.
then play it slow. I was still in the lead.
I see what you're saying.
I just went to add the card.
that the
It was
buggy?
going too long.
Yeah, no, I feel like it could have been better, but it's just you doing it slash. Yeah, I know, but that's basically it. They should have gave him a 1K or at least a trigger for the Arlon. That would have been perfect, but they didn't give it to him. Yeah, unless there'll be a card in the future where give this card a trigger effect for 1 turn. That would be dope. Yeah. Did you win? Yeah. You won. Nice. Okay. You playing kid?
Yep.
Or, of course. Yeah. Tell me if you're playing kid.
I put some of the Big Mom triggers and I hit 2 of them off of life and it was just too sweet.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm liking how it's synced up.
Yeah.